Welcome to an Achieving Science video. This video is going to look at making salts. Salts are made in a neutralization reaction. This is where acids can be neutralized by alkalis. When this reaction takes place, the acid and alkalis react together to form salt and water. This neutralization reaction then can be summarized as a standard word equation, where we have an acid reacting with alkalis, our reactants on the left hand side, separated by an arrow to then go to our products in this case being salt and water, shown on the right hand side of the equation. Now we have to look at what name is given to the salt that is formed. This is determined by the acid that has been used. So the main acids that you will tend to use are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. If you use these acids, the name of the salt will be determined, and therefore it will be something chloride if you use hydrochloric acid. It'd be something sulfate if you use sulfuric acid, and it'd be something nitrate if you use nitric acid. The formula for these acids then is important. Hydrochloric acid has the formula HCl, sulfuric acid has the formula H2SO4, and nitric acid has the formula HNO3. Let's have a look at some example reactions. If we have then hydrochloric acid reacting with sodium hydroxide as one reaction. In a second reaction we can have sulfuric acid reacting with sodium hydroxide. And in a third reaction we can have hydrochloric acid reacting with potassium hydroxide. If we then form the word equation for these three reactions, we can work out the name of the salt that is produced. In the first case, we would produce the salt sodium chloride because we have used hydrochloric acid and the name of the metal that is used is sodium. In the second reaction, we will form sodium sulfate because again the metal is sodium, yet the acid that has been used is sulfuric acid. And in the third case, we have potassium chloride because the metal is potassium and the acid is hydrochloric acid. In all cases we form water.